Hey everyone, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Florida and Marion County with my friend Morris. He has this awesome car he wants to share with us. This car is for sale. It's a 1972 El Camino. So why don't you explain your car to them, and we'll give them our information and see if they're open to buying this car from you.
All right. Yeah, 72 Super Sport, 402 original engine, matching numbers. Runs really good. Interior is in good shape. Yeah, interior is in good shape. I have new carpet for it.
So you have the new carpet.
Yes, sir. I have new carpet for it.
The SS interior, SS gauges, SS steering wheel, original SS 402 big block car, matching number car. Solid bed. Is there a new tank in this car too?
Yes.
A new tank?
Yeah, new fuel tank, new sending unit.
You show 97,000 miles?
Yeah, I think it's what it says on it. Yeah.
Shows 97,000 miles. Interior is original door panels. There's a new carpet for it. We have a little bubble in here in the lower rocker. Some bubbling on the paint. Beautiful red color. The true 72 El Camino SS. The black racing stripes. That's the matching number 402. Brand new brake booster.
Yep. New
AC
brake
car.
all new brakes in it, all the way around.
Power steering, power brakes, AC. It's a highly optioned car too.
Yes.
And it does run and drive, guys. You want to start it up? Car runs great, guys. Power steering, power brakes, AC, 72 El Camino SS. What more can you ask for? So guys, give us a call, 631-620-1046. I'll get in touch with Morris, my great friend out here in Florida, and we can see if you're interested in this 72 El Camino SS. We're actually $17,500 for the car, okay? Prices are negotiable if you're serious. Again, reach out to me, 631-620-1046. I'll get in touch with Morris. Cars out here in Marion County, Florida. Please like and share this video. Please, anybody you know who's interested in the 72 El Camino, we got the car for you. It's the 402 big block car. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's the best things. I'm going to come up with so many more videos down here in Florida, as well as please hit the bell notification so you get alerted of different cars that I'm finding that are for sale here in Florida. So guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Jerry Metalman Battaglia and my friend Morris.